Space is vast, mysterious, and full of secrets we're only beginning to uncover. From black holes to alien oceans, here are 100 mind-blowing space facts you need to know. The Sun makes up 99.8% of the mass of our solar system, dominating everything with its gravity. A single teaspoon of a neutron star would weigh 4 billion tons on Earth. The Sun's core is about 27 million degrees Fahrenheit, 15 million degrees Celsius. Hotter than a nuclear explosion. Stars don't actually twinkle. Earth's atmosphere distorts their light. Betelgeuse, a red supergiant, is so large that if it replaced the Sun, it would engulf Mars' orbit. The Sun is a middle-aged star, roughly 4.6 billion years old, halfway through its life. Some stars explode as supernovae, shining brighter than entire galaxies for weeks. Stars are born in nebulae, massive clouds of gas and dust called stellar nurseries. There are more stars in the universe than grains of sand on all Earth's beaches. The closest star system, Alpha Centauri, is still 4.3 light-years away. Earth is the only known planet where water exists in solid, liquid, and gas forms. A day on Venus is longer than its year. It takes 243 Earth days to rotate once. Jupiter is so big it could fit 1,300 Earths inside. Saturn's rings are mostly ice particles mixed with dust and rocks. Uranus rotates on its side at a 98-degree tilt, making its seasons extreme. Neptune has the fastest winds in the solar system, reaching 1,200 miles per hour, 2,000 kilometers per hour. Mars' largest volcano, Olympus Mons, is 3 times taller than Mount Everest. Mercury has virtually no atmosphere, so temperatures swing from 800 degrees Fahrenheit 427 degrees Celsius to minus 330 degrees Fahrenheit minus 200 degrees Celsius. Pluto, once the 9th planet, is now classified as a dwarf planet. Earth's moon is slowly drifting away, 3.8 centimeters every year. The moon has moonquakes caused by tidal forces and meteor impacts. Titan, Saturn's moon, has rivers and lakes, but they're made of liquid methane and ethane. Europa, a moon of Jupiter, likely hides an underground ocean larger than Earth's. Ganymede, Jupiter's moon, is bigger than Mercury and is the largest moon in the solar system. Our moon always shows the same face to Earth due to tidal locking. Some moons like Enceladus spray water from geysers into space, hinting at subsurface oceans. Io, a moon of Jupiter, is the most volcanically active body in the solar system. Callisto has one of the most heavily cratered surfaces known. Neptune's moon Triton orbits backward compared to Neptune's rotation. Phobos, a Martian moon, is slowly spiraling inward and may crash into Mars one day. Our galaxy, the Milky Way, is home to over 200 billion stars. It takes the Sun about 225 million years to orbit the Milky Way center. The Andromeda Galaxy is on a collision course with the Milky Way in 4.5 billion years. Some galaxies are so far away their light takes billions of years to reach us. The largest known galaxy, IC 1101, is over 6 million light-years across. There are an estimated 2 trillion galaxies in the observable universe. Dwarf galaxies are the most common, though often hard to see. Elliptical galaxies can contain trillions of stars. Spiral galaxies, like ours, make up about 60% of observed galaxies. Quasars are supermassive black holes blasting energy brighter than galaxies. A black hole's gravity is so strong that not even light can escape. The closest known black hole is just 1,000 light-years away. At the center of the Milky Way lies a black hole called Sagittarius A. Black holes distort space and time itself. Some black holes are formed when massive stars collapse. The edge of a black hole is called the event horizon. Time moves slower near a black hole due to gravitational time dilation. A supermassive black hole can weigh billions of times more than the Sun. If you fell into a black hole, you'd undergo spaghettification, being stretched into a thin strand. Scientists believe there may be primordial black holes as small as atoms. A pulsar is a rapidly spinning neutron star that emits beams of radiation. Magnetars are neutron stars with magnetic fields trillions of times stronger than Earth's. Cosmic rays are high-energy particles that constantly bombard Earth. Gamma-ray bursts are the brightest explosions in the universe. Dark matter makes up about 27% of the universe, but we can't see it. Dark energy, a mysterious force, drives the universe's accelerating expansion. Black holes can merge, creating powerful gravitational waves. Some exoplanets orbit 2 stars, like Tatooine in Star Wars. Rogue planets drift through space with no star to orbit. Solar flares can knock out satellites and power grids on Earth. The first human in space was Yuri Gagarin in 1961. Neil Armstrong was the first man to walk on the moon in 1969. The International Space Station orbits Earth at 17,500 miles per hour. The Hubble Space Telescope has been capturing space images since 1990. NASA's Voyager 1 is the farthest human-made object, over 14 billion miles away. Mars rovers like Curiosity and Perseverance explore the red planet's surface. China's Chang'e missions have landed on and studied the moon. SpaceX's Falcon Heavy is the most powerful operational rocket. The James Webb Space Telescope can see 13 billion years into the past. Humans have only explored 5% of the ocean, but we've sent probes beyond Pluto. Space smells like burnt steak and welding fumes, according to astronauts. There's a giant water cloud in space holding 140 trillion times more water than Earth's oceans. Diamonds may rain on Neptune and Uranus. Some exoplanets are made of almost pure carbon, forming diamond worlds. The Boomerang Nebula is the coldest known place, at -458 degrees Fahrenheit, -272 degrees Celsius. A day on Jupiter lasts just 10 hours, the fastest rotation of any planet. The Great Red Spot on Jupiter is a storm larger than Earth, raging for centuries. Saturn could float in water. It's mostly hydrogen and less dense than water. Venus is hotter than Mercury because of its runaway greenhouse effect. The universe is 13.8 billion years old. Scientists have confirmed over 5,000 exoplanets beyond our solar system. Hot Jupiters are gas giants orbiting extremely close to their stars. Kepler-22b is in the habitable zone and could support life. Some planets orbit dead stars called pulsar planets. TRAPPIST-1 has 7 Earth-sized planets, 3 in the habitable zone. Some exoplanets rain glass shards sideways at thousands of mph. There's a planet where it rains molten iron. Gliese 581g was once called Earth's cousin. Some planets orbit so close they complete a year in just a few hours. WASP-12b is being torn apart by its star's gravity. Humans could colonize Mars within the next 50 years. Mining asteroids could provide limitless metals for Earth. Space elevators are a proposed way to reach orbit cheaply. Private companies like SpaceX and Blue Origin are leading new space races. Artificial gravity in spacecraft remains a key challenge. Long-term space travel affects the human body, including muscle and bone loss. Scientists are developing warp drive concepts inspired by Einstein's theories. One day, humans may live in giant space habitats orbiting Earth. Searching for alien life is one of NASA's biggest goals. In the vastness of the universe, Earth is just a tiny pale blue dot. And there you have it, 100 incredible space facts in just 10 minutes. If you enjoyed this cosmic journey, hit that like button, subscribe, and share with your fellow stargazers.